Looking for an incredible unlocked Android smartphone that doesn't break the bank? Meet the new Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Its stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display brings everything to life with crisp details, whether you're streaming, reading, or checking emails. You can take on any day with confidence thanks to the A16 5G's improved IP54 durability rating. It's tougher than ever before. Capture all your memories with stunning clarity, using its versatile triple lens camera, perfect for everything from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups. Plus, enjoy super fast charging, expandable storage, and blazing fast 5G connectivity for all your needs. Stay on top of your well-being effortlessly. Connect your A16 5G with a Fit 3 for easy health tracking, right in the Samsung Health app. This isn't just a phone. It's a feature-packed device offering awesome value, making it a serious contender for the best mobile 2025. Ready to upgrade to a durable, high-performing smartphone without the premium price tag? Find the best deals and learn more by clicking the Amazon link in the description right now. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G truly delivers an awesome experience and is a smart buy for anyone seeking exceptional quality in a budget-friendly package.